right, you guys, what's up? This is CAC. I got a tutorial for you guys. That's right, for the beginners. I'm going to show you guys how to do the mirror reflection here on Procreate. Just find any image, anything you want to use, a photograph, a logo, whatever. Long as you crop it by half the size from the top. Okay, because in the bottom is where we're going to put the duplicate. Because that's exactly, you heard me right, duplicate. That's right, you're going to take that image you got and you're going to duplicate it. And then you're going to go to that arrow so you're able to crop it and bring it down and flip it. All right. Now I know here I'm going to show where I flip it and then turn it, but I turn it back. So, all right, we all make mistakes. We're all human. Anyway, once you get that done, I'm going to show you guys. Look, this is the way I'm doing it. You see how I bring it down like that? Then I'm going to flip it over. There you go. And then all you have to do is just bring it all the way down. Yes, I know I flipped it, but like I told you, I brought it back. It's like, hey, we all learn. We all gotta learn, right? Even we made mistakes. We all made mistakes. But anyway, now look, after this, we're gonna go ahead and go back to your layer. Okay. And then from that, you're gonna go ahead and I already went blank. I'm telling you, where's my mind? You're gonna go ahead and lower down the opacity. There we go. So because remember, a photograph, if you're looking in the mirror, it's gonna look exact, right? But this ain't a mirror, so it's a surface, and the surface is not full. It's actually faded a little bit. Doesn't pick up full detail. So we're gonna go ahead and fade it out a little bit with the opacity, and then we're gonna grab the brush, the soft brush. And the bottom one, not the top one, the bottom one, we're going to erase from the bottom up slightly. So like that, it looks like it fades away. I'm going to show you. Check this out. See how you take it off from the bottom? Go up, and then go back at the bottom a little more. There you go. Then we're going to go ahead and distort it also. So go down to your wand and then go to gradient blur. Blur it a little bit, change the background to black, make it pop, just like this. Bam. What do you think? There you go. See how it wasn't even hard at all, you guys? I told you it was simple. I told you I was going to make it easy for y'all. Hope you guys like this and you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like, guys. Tell your friends, put on social media, let everybody see it. The CAC. I'll see you later.